Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Today's video, hey, we broke down, guys. We talked about the 4-hour and the potential daily that was coming up on the because the 4-hour is going to run into the daily. Well, once we got the daily close, guys, I was out. I always tell you guys, if you get a daily close, we had the close here and then the open. Right at this open, at what was it, 3,900. I was done. I was out, and I didn't make much money off this because I did get the wick out, and then I got in at 37, so I didn't make much off of this. Now we did break down out of this wedge. Okay, we wicked a little bit under my buy zone, and we could see here where we got the candle. Let me get rid of this. That was an alarm just in case. I was hoping to get a little bit lower, but if we were going to get back in, right? We did come down here. We wicked, and you can see where I had this area right here where I got this candle. That was actually, that's why I put my buy zone here, right around this candle here. And it did trigger at 32,400. I got my order in at 32,400. I didn't get exact bottom. We were whatever, a couple $100 off. So I am back in it because I think we are going to come back. Like I said, I don't think it's going to go all the way down here. I think we're going to mess around and then we're going to at least retest this. Okay. At least get up to the 34s, mid 34s, 35 range, or even test this 34,200 range. So, I think we're going to retest this again, this line. But this wedge is not valid anymore. So we can actually get rid of this wedge, okay, because it means nothing. We're going to keep this trend line. So that's Bitcoin. We're back in. We're waiting, right? Ethereum. Same thing, guys. I like this candle right here. This 4-hour candle. If we get another candle, we can open up and clear this area, this 2180 and 2189 area, for sure. I think this can reverse. Okay. Now these wedges they're done. Okay. My opinion, they're done. Yeah, you can get back in the wedge and whatever, but it never works out the same. So, I believe they're done. So now we're going to look for a new pattern to set up. But I think we're in a reversal. We're going to go back up from here. And I also want to talk to you guys about a bump and run, okay? All right, let's see. Bump and run. I got a blank Bitcoin chart here for you guys, okay? You remember how I told you guys I think we're going to trade sideways for a while? And that's exactly what we're doing. And that's why I didn't think we were going to just tank right here, like go all the way down. I mean, it still could happen. There still could be news, and we could get down to 32 or $30,000 area. That could still happen, but they're just trying to scare people out of money right here. Okay, we got our 4-hour closes. I mean, you could have closed it out anytime, even at the same price. I did. So, I mean, if you would have seen it, you would have got out, and that would have been the end of that, right? We got the open and the close. We didn't get a retest, but we got an open and a close. But on a daily, it doesn't matter. But daily is a lot stronger than the 4-hour. You see that happen, and it's usually downhill. Okay, and then we got our little move here. What did I have? 3,200 on this chart? Well, that's weird. I don't remember putting that. Oh, I just did that. That's right. Yeah, so you could see where it kind of came down. They were $100 off here. We were a couple $100 off the buy. But listen, like I said, guys, it's going to be hard when they're wicking it. Okay. It's like when they wicked it here. But yeah, so we came out of our pattern. We crashed just like we talked about it being a bearish pattern. Okay. Just like we talked about being in a bearish pattern in Ethereum. And I'll do a video on Cardano later. And then we'll check out Ethereum Classic later as well. But what I want to do is I want to give you guys something here. I did a video a while ago. It's called a bump and run pattern. Okay. If I can get locked up here. Come on, baby. Lock me up. There we go. Now, the bump and run. Okay. We're going to pull it right to about here. All right. So this is the pattern that we're waiting to break. So, and we could go up in here. And this is the ranges that we're trading. So we're trading in this range here. Okay. And we're trading in this range here. This is the range we're trading in to get to this bump and run. Okay, so we're zigzag. We could go up here. We could just anywhere in this range. Then eventually come back, retest, and then we're going to break all-time highs, guys. No doubt in my mind. Now, this might come in the beginning of August, mid-August, or even late August. Or even could get all the way to the end of the pattern and do early September. Okay? This is when we're going to have our huge breakout. All right. And if you guys watch my bump and run videos previously, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right. We had bump and run here, coronavirus. I mean, there's multiple bump and runs. We had a bump and run here, coronavirus, boom, took off. Bump and run here. Okay. If I can get, I have the lock on, so it's hard. Bump and run here, boom, took off. So anytime we get these bump and runs, I don't. This is pain. I gotta take off the lock here if I'm gonna do this. But you guys get the point. We get these bump and runs, and we're gone. And I'm gonna explain to you what a bump and run is. Okay, this is called a bump and run reversal right here. Okay, so you get a touch here, touch here. We already got our 2 touch points. And then we break the trend line. Then we come back down, retest, and then we're gone. Okay, this is the bump and run reversal. This is what's going to set us to all-time highs. So, yeah, could we go lower at some point? Could we go higher at some point? Yeah, we could trade anywhere in this range. And then eventually, we're going to get to this level. And then we're going to find out what Bitcoin's really doing for the year. Are we going? Are we not? What are we going to do? Okay? So this is what I'm waiting for. We're going to trade sideways. We're going to trade in these ranges. So I'm going to try to trade these ranges to the best of my ability. I'm going to try to trade these ranges. And that's what we're going to do. Okay. Inside this box. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Let's see here. Potential M. What is this on the daily? Now this wouldn't be good. I don't think we're going to reverse from here. Just because, I mean, if we don't, it'll be disastrous, right? I got to take off this lock. I can't do it, guys. Sorry. Let's see here. From here to here. Let's bring this down to here. I mean, could we get back to 28 on a potential M? If a candle closes around this area, yeah. I don't know. I just don't think it's going to happen, guys. I mean, it could. It could. The market's not looking good, the stock market. But, I mean, it could happen. I think we're going to trade sideways, is my opinion. And if we don't, we'll make our adjustments, right? I mean, we got into my buy zone. I don't know if you guys saw my buy zone. I don't know if you guys bought in the buy zone too, but we talked about breaking down. We talked about the buy zone. We should be okay. We had the double top here, rejection. That was bad. We should have took some money there. Like I said the other day, Ethereum. Remember how I said we should have took some money up here, and we didn't, and that's my fault. And I didn't want to say, oh, I took money and lie to you guys and make myself look good, but I didn't. So that's just the whatever. It is what it is. I don't do that. If I'm going to tell you I'm taking money, I'm taking it live on screen. you know, or I'm telling you like, hey, I got a order placed here to sell or an order placed to buy, whatever. But I'm always going to be honest with you guys. Okay. I waited for this move and we got greedy. We got greedy and we didn't take our money like we usually do. Every time on my channel, we've taken money at the tops. We got the bombs. We took money at the tops and we crushed every trade. This time, I got a little greedy. And this is a great example of when you're being greedy, what happens when you're being greedy. You don't maximize your gains, okay? Great example, guys. And we all still, listen, as good as I can trade, and, us being, since I started this channel, winning 90% plus of our trades, and not losing, we're just winning. I still, every once in a while, you have this greed factor that can get you. It's the greed bug, okay? We all can get it, and I ended up getting it, guys. I wanted more. I wanted to go higher in the wedge. Same thing with Cardano. I wanted higher in the wedge, even though I was telling you guys it's going to break down. I was hoping that we could get higher, but I knew once we did break down, it wasn't like I was taking a huge loss because we were so close to breaking down anyways. That it wasn't bothering me. I just wanted to get confirmation from my own brain that, hey, I got it for everything. If I took it for everything for what it's worth. But yeah, we should have took some more profit up top, and then we could have sold out and then made even more money. We did make a little bit of money, but we should have made more, okay? You guys see a daily candle close under these patterns, it's deadly. We talk about a daily or 4 hour. 4 hour, of course, is, you get the 4 hour close and the 4 hour retest, or 4 hour close and a 4 hour open. That's not good. Or a rejection. But a daily is like, it usually doesn't work too good. And so we got both of those at the same time. So that's why if you guys watched my Cardano video yesterday, I talked about that. Okay. That's like a death blow. That's when you're looking like, hey, it's done. We're done. Okay. So, but I'm looking for this bump and run eventually. Okay. It might take some time, guys. Oh, what did I do? It might take some time. Okay. But I'm looking for the bump and run, which could take some time to go sideways. Guys, we see this happen. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But I'm taking everything I have. I'm selling things if I have to. I'm going all in. I'm going all in on this move. Okay, I see this happen. I'm going all in. We're breaking all-time highs. Bitcoin's just going to explode. Okay, so we got this sideways movement, which is good. Consolidation. And then we're going to get our breakout eventually. I want to see these levels hold. I don't want us going back down to what, $19,000, $20,000 area. That would suck. Or what would be this area right here? $24,000, $25,000 area. We don't want to see that happen. Okay, we want to get the bump and run and stay in this area. And if we do break down, hey, you know what? We'll just get it cheaper. I mean, that's just the way it is, right? But the bump and run, that's what we're looking for. And I just want to keep you guys updated and posted. We did get our buy zone. I'm back in personally. If you guys are still nervous, then, you guys can do what you want to do. But I like this setup that we got here. I thought this was our buy zone. So I'm sticking with my game plan. Win or lose, I stick with my game plan. And usually it works out pretty good, doesn't it, guys? So we talked about all these moves. So that's what I'm doing on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Listen, guys, all I'm asking for you guys to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, Moondog Trading. That's all I'm asking. Just hit the all, hit the bell, hit the all, and just show me love. And I'm going to show you guys love and keep making these videos. Much love to you guys. And you guys, we'll keep you updated. And I'll do a Cardano and I'll do some videos later just to keep you guys updated on everything. All right, guys. Much love. Peace out.